Tamu ino ya keri, thukuru nyingi ni ihingitwo kumana na migomo ya arutwo na gucinwo kwa mathukuru, undu uria uthararitie mathomo kundu gutiganite. Thukuru ingi igiri ni ihingitwo mwena wa Kisumu, na kuria minista wa githomo Amina Mohamed acerete mwena ucio kuona na thukuru uria uikaine muno mwena ucio wa Kisumu Girls ukoretwo uhingitwo thutha wa gucinwo ni arutwo.
As you know, investigations have been ongoing. In this whole county, I think you know that some arrests have been made, 22, and they're in different stages of processing. 3 are in remand and 2 are out on bond. So that's the action that we have taken in terms of responding to the school fires, but also destruction of school property.
Amina augete makinya marumu ma kiwatho nimegutacukirire matafanitie njama icio cia migomo ino thutha wa uthuthuria kurikirira na kwirumakenia ati guthamio kwa arutani mathukuru-ini no guguthie na mbere.
We'll find out who has instigated them. We are following very many leads. We have phones that we are also interrogating to see who the contacts are, who has been talked to, what was said, what messages were conveyed. So we're following everything.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya igeranio George Makoha ni aheanite mukana kuri aria mahenagio na kugura igeranio iria merago nicio mageka.
The examination is very secure. It has been set. It will be seen on the morning of the examination. So stop banning schools or doing all these tantrums. We are not going to be moved. If you like, ban more. We will administer those exams under trees. That is the message I want to send very clearly. That we are not going to be intimidated by acts of hooliganism.
Mwandiki mukaru wa Ministry ya Githomo Belio Kipsang akiaria ari Mombasa thukuru-ini wa Shimolatewa ni akuithitie arutani anene murigo wa kumbũrania aria makoragwo magicina na guthukangia indo cia mathukuru guku akihinyiriria ati gutire murutwo ukuohero anyitikana.
We shall continue to implement the remainder of the critical areas that may require interagency engagement, that may require legislative work, that may require certain critical policies that we are putting in place.
Oho, ni augete aciari a arutwo aria mekunyitikana magitabania ciiko cia gucina na guthukangia indo cia mathukuru ni megukorwo makirihio.
In 2016, we had more than 450 cases of fires and arrest. Last year, we had more than almost 90 cases. This year, we have had so far around 35 cases.
Na watongoria a mwena wa Kisumu kuria minista wa githomo auma ni maiyukitie miario ya Amina makiuga gutire thukuru iri heago basari thutha wa arutwo guthukangia indo cia thukuru.
We value the school given that is the only girl national school within our county. And the concern we have is that we need to do everything possible.
Reu Ministry ya Githomo ni iranire kurutithania wira hamwe na honge ciothe niguo gutigirira mawaganu ni mahukio mathukuru-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.